Kamusta mga kababayan job seekers at naghahanap ng opportunities papunta dito sa Canada? Great news para doon sa mga kababayan natin na home care workers or caregivers. Kasi by March 31 po ay i-open na po muli itong home care worker pilot program. This is an immigration pathway. So ibig pong sabihin sa programang ito, kayo po ay magiging permanent resident. Pero ngayon pa lang, kailangan inaalam nyo na po yung mga requirements or eligibility for this program. At ang magandang balita ay meron po tayong free assessment na pwede nyo pong fill upan para malaman nyo po kung kayo ay pasok dito sa programang ito. But we will be having our review para malaman nyo po at ma-check nyo sa inyong sarili kung kayo ay eligible for this program. So, sundan nyo po ako ng mabuti. Ipapakita ko po dito sa videong ito yung eligibility at saka mga requirements. So, reviewin po natin yung Home Care Worker Immigration Pilot. This Immigration Pilot Program is a permanent residence pathway for home care and child care providers. As these occupations are considered Tier 4 po ito. Traditional pathways for permanent residents under Canada's economic immigration streams are limited. In recognition of the challenges which caregivers have faced in obtaining permanent resident status, so nagkakaroon po kasi ng mga challenges sa mga caregivers para maging permanent resident dito. At eto nga po ang reality sa mga caregivers. Alam naman nyo po ito na pag nagbukas po yung mga ganitong klaseng pilot program, kailangan po mag-apply po tayo agad kasi alam naman po natin, nagkakaroon po ng mga limitations ngayon. So, maaaring for a limited supply, limited lang ang pwedeng makapag-apply for this program. So, ang mangyayari po is first come, first serve basis po ito. Kaya nga, ina-announce na natin ito sa inyo ngayon para makapag-prepare na agad kayo para by March 31, pag nag-open up po ang programang ito ay mga kababayan, dagsaan ito. Yan po ang isaisip ninyo. Kaya ngayon pa lang, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-prepare na po kayo agad ng mga requirements. So, let's continue. And the important role which they play in supporting in critical sector, Canada's caregiver programs are designed as tailor-made immigration solutions which recognize the unique attributes of caregivers. The Home Care Worker Immigration Pilot is the most recent iteration of the caregiver programs. It was first announced in 2024 prior to the closure of its predecessor programs. So may mga programa po kasi bago ito na sabi dito nag-close na po. Magiging qualify ka ba for this program? Alamin natin. IRCC has released preliminary details of the eligibility criteria of the Home Care Worker Immigration Pilot, requiring that applicants, ito na po yung mga requirements. Number 1, score CLB. Ang CLB po is Canadian Language Benchmark 4 or higher in each language category on an IRCC approved language test. Applicants will likely be required to submit test scores from one of the below authorized testing agencies. Ito po, yung mga authorized na testing agencies. CELPIP or Canadian English Language Proficiency Index Program, IELTS, PTE, TEF Canada, TCF Canada. Number 2, have a Canadian high school diploma or higher or the foreign equivalent. Education credentials obtained from outside of Canada will likely require an education credential assessment report. Maaaring kailanganin. So, dapat ngayon pa lang ay tinitingnan nyo kung kailangan nyo bang magpa-assess. Kung sa palagay nyo na yung inyong education credential ay medyo alanganin, magpa-assess po kayo para masiguro nyo na kayo ay eligible. Ito po yung mga approved na Education Credential Assessment. Comparative Education Service or CES, International Credential Assessment Service Canada, World Education Services or WES, IQAS. Ito, marami po ang nagsasabi na mas maganda daw po sa IQAS magpa-assess. May mga nakausap po ako dyan. Next po is International Credential Evaluation Services sa British Columbia Institute of Technology po ito. Medical Council of Canada, Pharmacy Examining Board of Canada, Canadian Architectural Certification Board. Ito po yung mga approved na Education Credential Assessment agencies. Pangatlo pong requirement for this program is have a full-time employment offer for home care in the child or adult care sector. Kung wala pa po kayong job offer, kayo po ay maaaring maghanap sa job bank. Ito po www.jobbank.gc.ca. The home care worker immigration pilot will allow the job offer to come from an organization providing in-home care services. Number 4, you have to demonstrate recent and relevant experience related to the offer of employment in Canada. Candidates must be able to show they hold the skill set necessary to perform the role in Canada. So yan po, yung ilan sa mga requirements na kailangan nyo pong ihanda at i-check sa inyong sarili kung kayo ay eligible. For further questions mga kababayan, mag-leave po kayo ng comment below at mag-fill up din po kayo ng free assessment para malaman nyo kung kayo ay eligible. So good luck po sa mga kababayan natin na mag-a-apply for this program.